guys how to make an easy chocolate cake. First, you will add some Nutella into your bowl. I took about 2 spoons. Then you add an egg white. Add your flour in. This should be about maybe 2 tablespoons. And then you just mix it together. First, it seems like it's not going to break out, but you gotta keep mixing it and it'll start to form like cake batter. And you can also add some sprinkles if you would like to right now. So if it feels a little bit like kind of like jelly, like gooey, really like coming nicely, then you can add a little bit more, like 2 drops of water. And it should fix it. Don't put too much water because then it will just have to add more flour, but and when you add the water, it also helps you see like the other clumps and lumps, if there's any like parts of flour clumped up in one area, you can see that, and then you easily mix it in. And now it's much like better consistency. It drips better. Look. Now you have to put it in the microwave. For 2 minutes. And then it's gonna start cooking. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's done. Now we take it out of the microwave and set it on this here. Our cake is done now. Look. The thing is, there's just plain cake. There's nothing on it. But, so now, you should have some icing or something you want to put on here. Oh, some Nutella. That would be a good idea. So, we're going to put 1 spoon of this Nutella on this cake. And just evenly spread it around. this cake because it's really easy to make and quick. It only takes 5 minutes, and all you really need is Nutella, an egg, and some flour. So good. And put it on. And if you want to make a bigger cake, you can use the same recipe and triple it or whatever, and put it in a baking pan and pop it in the oven at 365 degrees for 20 minutes. And it should be a bigger cake so everyone can enjoy. This is so good. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, be healthy, goodbye.